Hey there, it's Janelle from Rock Solid Relationship Coaching. Have you ever tried to piece together a shattered vase? It's a painstaking process, isn't it? Each fragment, no matter how small, has a place and a purpose. It's a lot like rebuilding trust after infidelity. It's a delicate, intricate process, but with patience, understanding, and a lot of hard work, it's possible. Imagine trust as a beautiful, ornate vase. It's sturdy, it's reliable, and it's the centerpiece of your relationship. But when infidelity strikes, that vase shatters into a million pieces. The trust is broken, and the relationship is left in disarray. Now, you're left with two options. You can either sweep up the pieces and throw them away, or you can painstakingly piece them back together. If you're here, I'm guessing you're choosing the latter, and I'm here to guide you through that process. The first step in rebuilding trust is acknowledging the damage. Just like you can't fix a broken vase without acknowledging each shattered piece, you can't rebuild trust without acknowledging the hurt and betrayal. It's important to have open, honest conversations about what happened. This isn't about assigning blame, but about understanding each other's feelings and perspectives. Next, you need to establish a new foundation. When you're piecing together a broken vase, you don't just stick the pieces back where they were. You need a new, stronger adhesive to hold them together. In the same way, you need to establish a new foundation of honesty, transparency, and communication in your relationship. Then you need to rebuild piece by piece. This is the most time-consuming part of the process. It involves a lot of patience, understanding, and forgiveness. It's about proving through actions, not just words, that you're committed to rebuilding the trust that was broken. Finally, you need to reinforce the vase. Once it's been pieced back together, it's more fragile than before. It needs extra care and attention. Similarly, a relationship that's recovering from infidelity needs constant nurturing and reassurance. Remember, just like a shattered vase, trust once broken will never look the same again. But that doesn't mean it can't be beautiful. It can be stronger, more intricate, and more unique than before. Rebuilding trust after infidelity is a journey, not a destination. It's a process that requires time, patience, and a lot of hard work. But with the right guidance and support, it's a journey that can lead to a stronger, healthier, and more fulfilling relationship. If you have any questions or need personalized help, don't hesitate to leave a comment below or reach out to me directly. You can also check the video description for a link to my website where you can book a session. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more relationship advice. Remember, a rock-solid relationship isn't built in a day, but with consistent effort and the right tools, you can build a relationship that's as sturdy and beautiful as a well-crafted vase. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.